Nestled in the vibrant heart of Leeds lies Symons House Leeds, an oasis of student living excellence. With its diverse range of living options, from spacious ensuite apartments to state-of-the studios and two-bed apartment, offering a home tailored to every student's needs. Each room here comes fully furnished with comfy bed, dedicated study area, private ensuite bathroom, and ample storage. Step outside your bedroom and you'll find an array of modern amenities including a private cinema and an outdoor cinema, a fitness suite, a stylish modern roof terrace, communal lounges, and much more. Talking about location, Symons House Leeds is perfectly located to provide easy access to all of the city's universities, including Leeds Beckett University and the University of Leeds. Additionally, you're within arm's reach of the city's hottest spots. Whether you're craving a taste of culture at Belgrave Music Hall and Canteen, indulging in street food delights at Zop Thai Street Food Leeds, or unwinding with friends at the Brunswick. And with easy access to amenities like View Cinema Leeds, The Light, and Turtle Bay Leeds, you'll never be short of options for fun and food. So why wait? Secure your spot at amberstudent.com today and embark on a journey of academic excellence and unforgettable experiences in this vibrant city.